Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to fill in face. So we have these example objects, and if you want to fill like in the top face, you can select the top face, go to material, and then you can choose the color. So in the I will use color and I will fill with red color. You can click on the top face. So to be fill the selected face. I will select again at this edge. You can fill the color. I will use this yellow color. You can click to apply. Together you also can set for the material. I will select up this face. Change color like into stone. I will use this material and you can click on face to apply. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp tutorial how to fill in a face. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.